Hi YouTube, I'm gonna make a small tutorial on front lever. And I'm with my friend. He's gonna show you some tips also. Yeah, I'm gonna show you an example and my friend's gonna do it too. First tip, keep your fingers straight and your the thumbs gonna turn away from each other, like this. And you gotta have them pretty close if you're just starting out. Tip number 2, don't do the mistake people make by setting it up here. It's very, very hard. You have to put your elbows very far down on your stomach. Yeah, tip number 3. You can also, when you're doing the elbow lever, you can don't hit your head like this. Instead, go a bit forward, like this. Yeah, and just find the balance. That was the second video. Be ready for more shitty videos like this.